voice. Big and loud.
Let the bass talk.
This video demonstrates how to use Source Connect with Source Nexus Suite to collaborate with remote clients and talent simultaneously. The initial setup is straightforward. From any DAW mix session, add a Source Nexus Review plugin to the main stereo fader, whether it's a master or aux channel. Set your input for the talkback, typically directly from the input device, or using the key input option if your hardware is exclusive to your DAW. The / key triggers the talkback mic to open. Log in as host to your Source Nexus gateway using Chrome. Start the broadcast. And then invite clients or guests to join. In the Source Nexus Control application, create 2 new mono devices. Name one to Source Connect and the other from Source Connect. Using the Source Nexus router, create 1 new stereo path or route named TB to Source Connect. Set the top input to Nexus Chat and the bottom output to Source Connect. Again, in the Source Nexus router, create 1 new stereo path or route named Clients to Source Connect. Set the top input to From Nexus Chat and the bottom output to Source Connect. Finally, create 1 new stereo path or route in the Source Nexus router named Playback to Source Connect. Set the top input to Nexus Broadcast and the bottom output to Source Connect. Make sure to keep this route muted unless specifically needed to playback audio from the DAW to the talent on Source Connect. In your DAW, create 1 mono audio track and name it VO Record. Then create 1 mono aux track and name it Source Connect. Set the output of the Source Connect aux track to go to the VO Record track input. Place a Source Nexus I/O plugin on the Source Connect aux track with the bottom receive set to From Source Connect and the top send to None. Finally, open Source Connect and set your input to Source Connect and your output to From Source Connect. Again, make sure to mute the Source Nexus router path named Playback to Source Connect because leaving it open may result in the talent on Source Connect hearing an echo of themselves. There are, of course, more sophisticated techniques to handle the playback of audio from the DAW back to the talent on Source Connect while recording without fiddling with the mute button, but they are beyond the scope of this quick tip and may be specific to hardware that's available. This setup enables you to record a remote talent on Source Connect while having clients who are gathered on your Source Nexus gateway. Everyone can hear each other, and the DAW playback goes to the clients all the time, while with the push of a button to the talent on Source Connect if needed.